Hey everyone, welcome back to a quick feature overview. Today we're going to be looking at agentic assessments within Ketch and how they're powered by the Ketch Agent Network. When most people think of assessments, they think of the same type of feeling. It's, I don't want to, there are so many questions, so much data hunting. When I send this out, the data I get back isn't accurate. Well, good news is with Ketch Agent Network, most of those feelings never have to happen anymore because the agents now are doing the heavy lifting and tedious work already for you. So let's jump in and create an assessment. Let's create a marketing personalization assessment. And then from here, let's do our foundational. Okay, we'll do processing activity, personalization for marketing emails. Great. Go ahead and create this. So right now, all the agents are automatically filling in the answers to questions based on all the information they've gathered from uploaded documents like DPAs and vendor policies, as well as any discovered data that's currently within the Ketch system. All right, looks like we are ready to begin this assessment. And I think one thing to call out here is out of the 21 questions, the Ketch Agent Network or the agents have been able to answer 20 of those questions. So as you can see, all the questions have been pre-populated based on information that the agents have found within the system. There's clearly one that's not been answered, so we'll go ahead and answer that on our own. We'll say today. Now, let's say one of these answers has an error in it. You've sent this out to a user, they've come back, they filled it in, but there's been a mistake, or the information they have added is different than what our system says. For example, let's look at this question. How long will personal data be retained? Let's say retained for forever. Now let's see what happens. So next, let's go ahead and auto-complete this. And then we'll go ahead and review it. And once we go ahead and review it, the agent network is going through all the data here and cross-checking it against the information it used to populate these questions. And it'll bring any differences or any areas that need further adjustment into this insights panel here on the right. So it looks like there are 7 insights that need to be addressed. These are all things that the agent network has flagged that the user needs to look into, like this one. So per the regulations, this type of data needs to be retained only as long as necessary. But as you can see from the assessment answer from earlier, I added this data is retained forever. So as you can see, the agents flagged my answer against what the regulation says, making it really easy for the users now to act on this, adjust it, and go back and fix the assessment. So you know that your assessments are accurate and up to date. And this is just another way that Ketch keeps you in compliance by making sure that you're doing what you should be doing, what you're saying you're doing, and what you're actually doing. Learn more at Ketch.com.